Guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. Today I will be unboxing a package from Temu. I have no idea where to. This was shipped from Temu, so I guess this went through customs and then it came through my customs. So there's a whole bunch of taping up and stuff going on. Hang on guys, let me figure this out. I got these packages a while back, but like a month now, I have a lot of packages that I have packed up, but I haven't gotten around to opening them up yet because I got stuff to do. Hang on, I still need to get in here. Okay guys, so this was meant to be an order for the bathroom vanity light and some of these things right here to make a headboard for my son's room. And these are the white ones. They are a lot thinner than I expected, but they will do because I won't be putting them directly on the wall. I will be putting them on a piece of plywood. And I got these already. These were in a package that came to my mom. I just add them to her order, so I already had an idea what I was getting. I ordered these ones and then I went back and get the white to match. So there's a catch going on right here. So this looks extremely white on my phone right now as I'm looking through the camera. These look extremely white, and this looks extremely blue, like a blue, but in actual reality this is like a greenish, baby bluish kind of look. Let me get a picture. And this is like a cream. I don't know if it's because it's dark in here or maybe I'm getting old, but if this is what it actually, I don't have a filter on, but if this is what it looks like when the light hits it, then it will be perfect for his room. This is a shade that his room will be in. I can't put it in white because he's 9 years old, and yeah, that would be too much to clean up. So these are, I will put it in the thumbnail and the description. I got them on Temu. This one I paid more for this one, and this one I got it for, both of them were under $10. I'm just going to leave that right there. But yeah, this is the review for the padded wallpaper, I think, or Faux headboard upholstery thingy. But they seem pretty solid, like, yeah. So it's not like you can put your fingers through there and it's these ones were like this when it came. So the kinks will come out. I had this thrown down for a while, so the kinks will come out. Don't worry about the crease if you decide on getting this. And these were the 4 packs. So in all I have 8, and they come in more. So if you want more, they have 12 packs and so on. But that's it for these items. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the DIY projects that I do, these, head on over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel. They will be featured on there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow.